Hello everyone. So in the previous classes we can discuss about the definition of the Laplace transform and also elementary functions of the Laplace transform, that means elementary transformations, and also we can solve that means we can find out the first shifting property. We can prove that first shifting property. What is that property? If L of f of t is equal to f bar s, then L of e power at into f of t, L of e power at into f of t is equal to f bar of s minus a. This is called first shifting property. First shifting property. First shifting property. Okay. So using these formula we can solve some examples, right? L of e power 3t into sin 2t, we can solve that problem. So first you can find out L of f of t, where f of t is sin 2t. Okay. So L of sin 2t, this is in the form of L of sin at. What is the formula for L of sin at? A by s square plus a square. Right? Here a is 2. So 2 by s square plus 2 square. That is 2 by s square plus 4. Okay? This is the formula for L of sin at. A by s square plus a square. Now you can find the value. This is called f bar s. Since L of f of t is equal to f bar s, right? So now you can take the value L of e power 3t into sin 2t. Okay, using first shifting property, f bar of s minus a. Here f bar s is 2 by s square plus 4. That means you can replace s by s minus a, where a is 3. Okay. Here comparison, this is L of sin at. Here a is 2. This is over. This is L of f of t. Now the function value is e power at into f of t. Here a is 3. Okay. So that value is f bar of s minus a, and that means you can replace s by s minus a, that is 2 by s minus 3 whole square plus 4. That is, you can simplify that 2 by a minus b whole square expansion, s square, okay, plus 9 minus 6s plus 4. A minus b whole square expansion, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So s square minus 6s plus 13, 9 plus 4, 13. Okay. So this is the first shifting property, use of first shifting. So similarly you can take L of sum e power 2t into cos square t, cos square sum 3t. L of e power 2t into cos square 3t. First you can find out L of f of t. This is in the form of L of e power at into f of t, where f of t is, okay, first you can write this. This is in the form of, you can write the same way. This is in the form of L of e power at into f of t. Okay, where f of t is equal to cos square 3t. Okay. So first you can, we know the formulas only sin at, cos at, not the powers. So you can change the powers. So we know that the value cos square theta or cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula, we know that 2 cos square theta minus 1. So using that formula you can find out cos square theta. So cos square theta, so you can take 1, take to the left side, that means 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay. So here 2 divide. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. So here f of t is cos square, f of t is the function cos square 3 theta. We know the values only sin at, cos at, not the powers. So that powers can be changed using the formula. Okay. So 1 plus cos 2 theta, cos 2 into, here theta means 3 theta by 2, that is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 60. Okay, 1 plus cos 60. Now you can find out L of f of t, that is 1 by 2 into L of 1 plus cos 60. So 1 by 2 into L of 1 plus L of cos 60. Okay, so 1 by 2 into L of 1, we know the value, L of 1 is equal to 1 by s, L of cos 80, s by s square plus a square, 6 square means 36. This is the value f bar of s. So now you can find out L of, okay, e power 2t into cos square 3t. Okay, L of e power at into f of t, that is f bar of s minus a. You can replace s by s minus a, that means s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus 36, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by s minus 2 plus s minus 2 by s square minus 4s plus 40. Since a minus b whole square expansion chesi, right, you can adding that value. Okay na? So this is the first shifting properties examples. Use of first shifting property, L of e power at into f of t. So this is the solving way, right? Okay, thank you.